Yo guys, welcome in today's video. We are today with some beautiful cows right here, and yeah, on this beautiful Saturday morning I thought I'd just do the update outside because I really would love to just in the morning wake up and just have a walk outside, you know. So I got a couple of important things I want to talk about in today's video. The first one is an update over on Volatility, and a very sick update which can help you tremendously in your trading, but also a nice update on the regular financial markets. So let's start with the first one. Volatility. We just launched some new algorithms that you can add to the Volatility charts over on volatility.com when you select the Pro charts. And these algorithms, they show you exactly when to long or when to short. And they show you a little bit the trend. And we got two algorithms. We got Algo 1 and Algo 2. I think Algo 1 is better. Algo 2 is sometimes better depending on the market conditions. It looks for better entries than Algo 1, but Algo 1 is very clear in when the trend is up, when the trend is down. And I think the most powerful time frame to use this algo with is the 4-hour time frame. So you got to be a little bit patient. These signals don't flash every single day, although you can also use them on the 1-minute time frame. But when these signals flash, they are very important, because if we, for example, are in a very strong bull trend, then when we get a green triangle, that means that we are on an uptrend, the trend is up, and that you can look for long positions. And when we are on a bear trend and you see a red triangle, then that is a bearish sign, and that is that most likely we're going to see lower levels until we are seeing that green signal again. Then you can invalidate that bearish sign and then look for longs again. So it's actually pretty simple, but you got to play yourself with it. You can do that when you use the Pro charts over on volatility.com. Then on the right upper corner you got a settings button, and in that settings button you can add these algos, which is an overlay to the chart. You can then see it. And let's go to the second thing I want to talk about, guys, and that is actually I've been wrong, because the regular financial markets are breaking out to the upside, and they are making new highs, which means that they are actually changing from a downtrend into an uptrend. And guys, I gotta be honest, I'm actually very, very happy with that. And I'm gonna explain you exactly why. So first of all, we have seen that big divergence, right, between Bitcoin and the regular financial markets. Well, this is actually kind of weird, because Bitcoin normally is very correlated with the regular financial markets. So it was very confusing for lots of people that suddenly the regular financial markets goes down, the Dixie goes up, gold goes up, and you know, interest rates are going up, and crypto is pumping, right? It's not only Bitcoin, it's also other crypto. We can see that ordinals right now are doing very good. Some altcoins like Solana have been doing very good. Ethereum is doing very good. That's not really no risk assets, right? Like, if it would be only Bitcoin, you could still say, yeah, maybe it's a flight to safety, like Larry Fink says. But when you also see altcoins exploding while the S&P 500 is going down, then you definitely see that there are investors that are taking some risks, right? So there's risk taking in unstable markets, which is normally doesn't really make that much sense. And that brings me to the following thing. So the regular financial markets looked very, very ugly. Right, they look very ugly. We broke below the 200-day moving average. We have been in a downtrend, but now we are breaking out of the downtrend back into an uptrend. And that is actually very good for crypto, because that basically means that that divergence right now possibly could end. So that the risk markets as a whole can go up again, which would drive the price of Bitcoin also up, and which would make sure that more liquidity is going to Bitcoin. A little bit thing that worries me a little bit are the interest rates still, because the interest rate has not been coming down yet. So we haven't seen that reversal in the interest rates yet, right? And normally Powell will do that once the economy is doing worse. So that is something to still take in mind, that we haven't seen that transition yet. But risk assets going back up is actually generally, I would say, a very good sign for Bitcoin. And Alessio Rastani also said it in one of his videos, one chart is lying. it's either Bitcoin or the regular financial markets, and maybe it was the regular financial markets. So that is good, because when that chart goes up, it can help to bring Bitcoin also higher. We actually called the local top in Bitcoin. We said 37,500 is the local top, but it can be a little bit higher because we are touching the support in the stablecoin dominance. So far, this has proven to be the local top, and it will be until we are breaking that support in the stablecoin dominance. So that is the chart that I'm going to watch right now. It might take a little bit time for Bitcoin to break above 38,000 US dollars. But yeah, who knows? Maybe it also goes quicker than expected, because Bitcoin is in a very strong uptrend, and once Bitcoin goes, it can really go kind of insane in a short amount of time. But yeah, I don't want to get your hopes too much up, because Bitcoin already had quite a massive rally, guys. It's a bit overextended. Stablecoin dominance is at massive support. So these are definitely things you want to take into consideration. Bitcoin dominance is coming back to some support. I am expecting a bounce in that one too. So I don't want to be positioned too much into altcoins. I took profits on my Ethereum trade. Again, that was a very beautiful trade, because in a single day it just made a crazy move. A very, very crazy move on the rumor of the Ethereum ETF. And yeah, the deadline for the Ethereum ETF is on the 26th of December. So we might get some more news about that like later on this year. But we'll see. I think Ethereum made a nice move right now. It can still go higher, maybe also higher against Bitcoin, but the risk is increasing. I think we have seen the big move in Bitcoin. We have seen a big move in Ethereum right now. And I think the attention will go back onto Bitcoin slowly. And after Bitcoin really finalizes that last move, we can see attention going back to Ethereum, and then following the altcoins. Funny thing, guys, Bitcoin ordinals are doing very good. We are seeing Bitcoin Punk's floor price going to 0.06 Bitcoin. That's actually quite high. We bought it over at 0.02. So that's already a 3x on our ordinals for the Bitcoin Punk. And I expect the ordinals to really moon this bull market. And I'm not the only one. We've seen it already with Ethereum, right? We've seen Ethereum NFTs doing very good. And I think something similar we can see with Bitcoin ordinals as well. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can enjoy a little bit the scenery right here. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new, not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, stay connected during this bull market. And yeah, guys, want to wish every single one of you a beautiful Saturday today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.